It is my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Laser Graphics and Multimedia, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you can delete products from cart on 1688 step-by-step tutorial. But before I dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, please remember to click on the subscribe. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can delete products from cart on 1688. Step 1 to take is to click here to access your cart. Then when you get to your cart, next thing you need to do is to tap on here, the top here. Then the next thing to do is to select the product you would like to delete from your cart. So you just have to tap on here to select each of the products you would like to delete from your cart. So I'm trying to delete this one here, this one here, this one here, and this one here. Once you are able to select all the products you want to delete from your cart, next thing you want to do is to click on here. Boom. You can see the product has been successfully deleted from your cart on 1688 step by step. So this is how you delete products from your cart on 1688 without any stress. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorial about China importation and some other country importation. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.